a 25-year-old woman comes to the physician because of a pain and weakness in her leg that started 2 days ago while running a marathon, and physical examination shows impaired flexion of the left knee joint and impaired extension of the left hip joint. An MRI of the left lower extremity shows injury to the long head of the biceps femoris muscles and the semitendinosus muscle. Which of the following is the most likely origin of the injured muscles? Okay, ischial tuberosity. All right, so that answer is also correct. And here we can, it's said that injury to the long head of the biceps femoris and semitendinosus. So what are these group of muscles called? Biceps femoris, semitendinosus, semimembranosus. What is that group of muscles called? Hamstrings. Okay, so even if they haven't given that MRI shows the uh, rupture or damage to these muscle tendons, they have given another clue here: impaired flexion of the left knee joint and impaired extension of the left hip joint. So we should have a clue from that they are referring to the hamstrings. It's the hamstring muscles. It's not the quadriceps. Quadriceps are the group of muscles on the anterior compartment, which consist of your rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, medialis, and yeah. So those are the quadriceps muscles. This group of muscles are the hamstring muscles. Okay. So this comes in the posterior compartment, and it arises from the ischial tuberosity. So the easy way to come to this answer is, of all this is the most posterior part. So since it's a posterior group of muscles, we could, even if you don't know the answer, you could make an informed guess, right? So that's what I'm trying to tell. So even if you don't know the answer, sometimes you can relate to the things and try to answer the questions, because pubic rami comes in the anterior compartment. So that cannot be the answer. And anterior superior iliac spine also comes in front. So that also cannot be the answer, right? So ischial tuberosity is like the best of all the options. And linea aspera is also important because the hamstring muscles comprises of semimembranosus, semitendinosus, the long head of biceps and the short head of biceps, right? So of this, the short head of biceps is attached to the linea aspera. Other than that, just know that anterior superior iliac spine has sartorius attachment. I don't think other than that you need to remember any of the other attachments. So just know that the hamstring muscles mainly is attached to the ischial tuberosity and the short head is attached to the linea aspera. Okay, all the others are not very important. But if you want to know, it's easy. The greater trochanter has the vastus lateralis. I think. Let me just confirm. So D, yeah, of course, quadriceps, biceps. Yeah, it's the vastus lateralis muscle, which is associated with it. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.